Manish Sharma. Today we will learn how to make live sheet in Trade Tiger. Trade Tiger terminal में live sheet कैसे बनाते हैं? So you have to log in your Trade Tiger terminal first of all, and whatever existing market watch you have to close. जो existing market watch है वो आपको बंद करना है, close करना है. उसके बाद आपको ये market watch पे जाना है और NSE F&O जो down arrow दिख रहा है, you have to click on this and then click on near future. Click on this and then click on near future. When you click on near future, a new market watch will get open with all F&O contracts of current expiry. Correct? So currently it is July expiry. So all the contracts you are able to see of July expiry. Correct? Then you have to right click on this market watch and settings, click on settings and user settings. When you click on user setting, this window will get open. Now you have to select your market watch, then whatever tick I have done, you have to tick on that, and whatever I have done untick, you have to untick the same. So for example, exchange name you have to tick, script name you have to tick, percentage change. This is a percentage change in price. This is percentage change in price, which by default is coming in your terminal. So you have to tick this. Current means current market price. Bid quantity, bid price, offer quantity. Then you have to tick on open, high, low, close. Then you have to untick everything. And then you have to click on lot size. Then you have to click on OI difference percentage. In between you have to untick. And then you have to untick everything till end. Correct? After doing this, you have to just click on save all button. When you click on save all button, so the column settings will get automatically set like that. For example, exchange name, script name, percentage change. This is the percentage change in price. Current means current market price, bid quantity, bid price, offer quantity, open, high, low, close. Lot size, OI difference, percentage. You can see here, correct? So now what you have to do, you have to drag this OI difference percentage column. OI difference percentage column you have to drag and move to here. So all three important columns are at one side, the left hand side. Script name, percentage change in price and OI difference percentage. It is similarly like your offline sheet only, but the only difference is the data is updating live. Okay, so script name, percentage change in price and OI difference percentage. After doing all this, you have to first of all save this. So you have to click on market watch and then click on save. You have to save it on your desktop and give file name LiveSheet July 2020. You have to give file name LiveSheet. This is the month July and year 2020. LiveSheet July 2020. And click on save. When you click on save, it will reflect your name LiveSheet July 2020. You close on this, close this, your screen will get open blank. So whenever you log in your terminal, your screen will be blank like this. Then you have to load your market watch. Market watch, click on load and you have to click on this live sheet July 2020. When you click on this, your market watch will get open as it is. Whatever settings you have done, as it is, it will get open. Okay. Now you can see here OI difference percentage. When you click on this here one time, it will show you smallest to largest. When you click this second time, it will show you largest to smallest. So you can see here Bharat Forge it is in your short build-up filter. BL is in long build-up filter. Just Dial is in long build-up filter. NGL is in short build-up filter. +10, -2 and +10, +2. Correct? Now you have to move this into Excel. So click on market watch, then you have to click on snap to Excel. When you click on snap to Excel, it will ask you the name to save. So let's say I've given here live sheet July. Okay, when you click on save, the Excel will get open. It will take some time. Can you see there is a Excel is now. you have to click on this Excel is saved now. Okay, but the only problem is you cannot do any changes in this Excel. Now this Excel data will update live, and you have to just filter this column. You have to just data, click on filter here, and you have to over difference percentage. You have to click on your largest to smallest, same like you do in your offline sheet. When market is live, the data will get update live. Okay, so this is how you can make live sheet in Trade Tiger terminal. I hope all of you have understood. If you have not understood, please go through with the video again. Slowly watch and follow the steps. You will understand. It is very easy and it will take not more than 10 minutes. Make live sheet and start learning today. Thanks a lot.